Think about the last time you ate eggs. Chicken eggs, obviously. Maybe duck eggs or quail eggs if you were at a fancy restaurant. But here's a question that almost no one asks. Why don't we eat turkey eggs? We love turkey meat on Thanksgiving. We buy turkey deli meat all year round. So where are the eggs? Are they poisonous? Do they taste like rubber? Or is there a much stranger reason hiding behind your breakfast? Spoiler alert, turkey eggs are perfectly edible. In fact, they might even be better than chicken eggs. First, let's clear the air. Turkey eggs are not toxic. In terms of nutrition, they are very similar to chicken eggs, but they have a slightly larger yolk and a richer, creamier texture. Some people say they taste exactly like duck eggs. They look unique too, off-white with beautiful brown speckles and a slightly pointier shape. So, if they taste great and they're good for you, why are they missing from every supermarket on the planet? It's not a matter of taste, it's a matter of biology and math. First, let's look at the production line. A modern chicken is an egg-laying machine. It lays nearly 1 egg every single day. That's about 300 eggs per year. A turkey? Not even close. A turkey hen lays at most 2 eggs a week. That's roughly 100 eggs per year, only 1/3 of a chicken's output. But it gets worse for the farmers. A chicken starts laying eggs at 5 months old. A turkey? It makes you wait 7 months. And while a chicken egg hatches in 21 days, a turkey egg takes 28. In the food industry, time is money, and turkeys are just too slow. Then there's the physical side. Turkey eggs are about 50% larger than chicken eggs. You'd think that's a win, right? Wrong, because they don't fit into standard egg cartons. They are a nightmare to ship. And here is a detail most people miss: the shell. Turkey egg shells are much thicker and tougher than chicken shells. While that's great for protecting the baby turkey, it makes industrial processing and cracking much harder. Our entire global food system is built for the size and fragility of a chicken egg. Turkey eggs simply don't fit the mold. Finally, let's talk about the biggest reason of all: the price tag. Turkeys are big birds. They need more space, more light, and most importantly, a lot more food than a chicken. Because they eat so much and lay so few eggs, the cost of production skyrockets. To make a profit, a farmer has to sell a single turkey egg for about $3. Compare that to chicken eggs, where you can often get an entire dozen for that same price. For the average consumer, the math just doesn't add up. Would you really pay $36 for a dozen eggs just because they're a little creamier? Probably not. So here's the truth. We don't eat turkey eggs because they are bad, gross, or dangerous. We don't eat them because they are bad for business. A turkey is worth far more to a farmer as meat on your Thanksgiving table than as an egg producer for your breakfast plate. Turkey eggs are a rare delicacy, hidden by the shadow of big agriculture. Final question. If a turkey egg costs the same as a chicken egg, would you make the switch? Or are you sticking with the classic? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more food mysteries solved.